So in this one, we're talking about political beliefs in each part of government. So the easiest way to think about it is in things we see every day. So we're going to think about this in terms of a word. How the left wing, the center, and the right wing are all different parts. Just like in government, they all have different beliefs and policies on how they work. So to show that, this is how you would think of it. So think of the left wing as a different part from the center, which is also a different part from the right wing. This would make it the easiest, so you can think of it in your head for the future. Okay, to show this, we're going to put it in aspect of how change works in the government and how tradition is important. So, the left wing, the center, and the right wing all have different beliefs on how change and tradition works for them. So, the smiley faces means that they like it. The straight faces mean that they don't mind it, and the frowns mean that they would rather not do it. So, for left wing, change is something that they like to do. The center, change is something that they don't mind, whereas the right wing is change. It's something that they don't try not to do. Once again, the left wing, tradition is not as important, more about change. Center, change is also not that important, but they don't mind it. And then the right wing, tradition is important, and they'd rather stick by that than change their policies. So as you'll see here, this also matters on how much government does for us and how they treat us. Left, center, and right are all different in what they do and what they believe they should do. So see, left is big in citizens' lives. They help out the poor. They focus mainly on the lower class to help out the weakest people in society. The center, however, play a big part in everyone's lives, and they focus on making our lives better and us being able to do more. However, the right plays a small role, and they focus on businesses rather than them doing it for us. Now, you might think this is a bad thing because the government doesn't focus on us, but it's all about how the person commanding thinks of it, and it can change from person to person, so it isn't always a bad thing. Now, law and order, which is like the police and the rules that surround us, is also something that's different. The left, the center, and the right all in different ways, and the laws and rules are all special. So the left, they protect the citizens, and especially the poor, and the ones that don't have the money or jobs to be able to pay for themselves. The center, they protect individuals, and they're really focused on the rights of every single person, and they encourage every rule and law. However, the right, they're more focused on protecting society as everyone in general as one, and they protect traditions that they've had before. As you can see, they're all different, but if you might think that one or the other is better, it's all about what the country or what the government thinks is right. So what we think is the best may not be the best for whatever country or place this is in. Alright, finally, so you can see that every single government is different, as I'm illustrating above. This illustration is showing that with the different types of, for instance, lines I'm drawing here, it just shows that each side isn't the same, whereas the left is wavy, middle is straight, while the right is jagged lines. And while we might think that our government is just the only one or only type there is, there's actually lots more out there. The political beliefs of each wing and side of government.